Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 4931 Sherwood Road. This is a great home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Sits on this great corner lot here. It's 1184 square feet. One of the great things about this home is it has 28 solar panels that are owned. His electric bill in the summertime is like $12 a month. So this is just an absolutely fantastic home. Come on in, let's take a look around. I want to thank you for taking this tour of 4931 Sherwood Road. This is a great little property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1184 square feet. Sits on this great corner lot, has a 2-car garage. You got this nice little private yard here, 6-foot rock walls. One of the great things about this home is it has 28 solar panels that are owned, so it helps keep your electricity bill down. Just an absolutely fantastic home. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleonlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.